It's the
3rd
of May. Where are we going?
We are going to buy a van.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Yeah. Any nerves?
I wouldn't say I'm nervous. I'm just excited.
Yeah. This is a very exciting day. We've been waiting for this for a very long time.
Hi, we're Dan and Jess, and we met back in 2019 after joining the same job just a week apart. It's fair to say we clicked pretty instantly, but it wasn't until 2023 that life brought us back together. And we soon found ourselves in a long-distance relationship, living over 100 miles apart. Fast forward to 2024, we moved in together, fostered some cats, and got up to all kinds of weird and wonderful things.
Oh my God. It snowed!
Yeah, I think that's going to be enough.
And now we've hit our next big milestone. We bought a van.
Welcome to Marvin. Marvin is our 2013 Mercedes Big Red Sprinter. It's a 2-litre diesel. As you can see, it was a parcel van. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it will be eventually. So, bumper doesn't sit on properly. You've got this piece. Bodywork doesn't sit on properly. You can see all the dents and things on the side. However, this is a brand new panel, just there. Then old plastic, stickers, brush marks. We have easy access hole, that goes nowhere. One of my favourite parts about the van is this tailgate is wonky. It's no longer limited to 70, but I will only ever drive up to 70. Mercedes badge is missing, got to replace that because of the heritage. Reverse camera, more sign writing. And then when we come over to this side, we have another extra hole. Some more scratches down the side. On the inside, you can see somebody got a little bit hungry, started chewing out the seat. There's a hole in the floor, it's dirty. Free phone holder. Great. Reverse screen at the top. If you want to take a look at what's inside this, nothing but dirt. Yeah, let's have a look in the back.
Come see the inside of the van. So, it is in pretty decent shape, I can't lie. Compared to the outside, it's not bad. It's got this plastic liner everywhere. Is this wood, plastic?
Plywood.
Plywood floor. Very nice. We've got some nice hooks, which I'm sure will be very useful. As you can see, there's a level of grime all through here, and under this bit looks very gross, so we're gonna have to go through there. We've got a nice metal bulkhead, but this is gonna be removed, so you can ignore that. And these pouches, which you never know, might be able to repurpose. Who knows? Coming round, we do have some dented wheel arches. But again, that is fine. We're going to cover them. It's all going to be good. It has got some old lights. These don't work. What we do have are these. So just for the time being, we do have some light. Although they are flashing at the moment, and I'm not entirely sure why. Roof's in really good condition. There is like some kind of dent just there. So this is slightly gappy, but apart from that, it is in really good condition. Showing you the doors, as you can see, these are a little bit battered on both sides, but this is going to be ripped out, and fingers crossed, we're going to put windows in there. So yeah, that's the inside.
So this is Marvin. This is basically going to be our year-long project. We're going to try and make as many videos. We're going to fully convert it. There's going to be electrics. We're going to take it to the Alps. That's our goal, to have it completely ready by winter 2025-2026, so that we can take it on a maiden voyage up to the Alps and potentially go skiing and snowboarding in it. So we'll do that. We're going to get started on cleaning it, get the bulkhead out. So we'll show you all of that, what it looks like, and then potentially stay out in it how it is at the moment and see if we can manage it.
It's gonna be good. Yeah. I'm excited.
Should we get started?
Let's go.
Let's go.